sa mga pink. Ganun talaga nangyari because kung mag-align sila, ibig sabihin, wala nang opposition.
So paano yun? Kayo ngayon nasa admin sa Senate, pwedeng...
Depende yan kung ano sabihin ni Pangulong Duterte. Sabihin, mag-opposition na tayo. Sasama talaga ako. Pag sabihin niya, huwag, neutral lang tayo. Nandiyan ako. Hanggang kuwan lang tayo, fiscalizing lang tayo for mga national interest issues. Hanggang dyan lang tayo. Hindi tayo opposition. Depende na nga kung what will develop.
Okay, Mayan, follow up.
Do you see VP Sara as a strong opposition leader?
Posible, pero hintayin na lang natin kung anong magiging...
Nakikita nyo ba yung possibility na liligawan nyo si VP Sara to lead naman your group, sir? For you to be united as well.
Ganito yan eh. Kung mag-align sila sa Malacanang, ano pang purpose? Bakit sila nag-join forces sa Malacanang? Di ba para
hindi mo tutulungan kami sa Mindanao at sa Visayas. Sabi ko sa kanila, okay, sige, dahil maraming big ticket projects si Pangulong Duterte sa Davao City, sa Mindanao at sa ibang lugar pa ng ating bansa na gusto nating mapatuloy. Kaya nga, di ba, tumakbo kami. Kasi sabi ko nga, kinote ko kanina, no, yung speech ni Senator Risa Ontiveros. Ulitin ko lang para sa inyo kasi baka malayo sa microphone kanina. Nakalagay doon, alam ko po na ang daming kalat ni Duterte. Na hirap tayong linisin. Ang kadiliman, for one, they are supported by one major superpower, China. So nakikita ninyo na meron na siyang bias. Ngayon, kanina sa budget, sinasabi niya na, this is a duplication.
Let me just also say something. Yung Quadcom, honestly, as a member of actions that made POGOS, which was originally had good intentions to generate revenues for our country, into this cesspool of crime, syndication, money laundering, drugs, and so forth. So naintindihan ko na yung purpose ng Quadcom. When it comes to POGO, I think it's very important for Congress to look at not only successes but also errors when it comes to government service. We need to know where did the institutional safeguards fail. I think that's the number one purpose of the Quadcom under the marching orders of our Speaker, so that this will never happen again. The only reason we steered away from POGOS is because we have a very good leader in our President Bongbong Marcos, when he made the SONA statement, stop the POGOS, enough is enough. The money is not worth it in comparison to the societal ills that